Well guys, today I'm just gonna be explore a fishing village in Bali. This is we call Jimbaran. So you will be exploring about Jimbaran today. Check it out. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explore fishing village in the south of Kuta. This fishing village exactly beside the airport. So from the airport to fishing village is around 15-minute driving only. So this is underpass just beside the airport. Because I starting from Kuta, so I have to pass this underpass to get the fishing village in Jimbaran Bay. Okay, now we reach fishing village and traditional fish market in Jimbaran Bay. So this is the situation in fishing village in Jimbaran Bay, 8 AM in the morning. During the pandemic corona, lots of people just go to the fishing village to buy the fish because the prices here is more cheaper and fish still fresh in here. Fish market here open around 5 AM until 10 AM. And in the afternoon, we open again this market, start from around 5 PM until 7 PM. When you see on the video, there is fishermen just been doing fishing on the ocean. They are already departing from this beach. Same beach is yesterday in around 6 PM and then just back to this fishing village. Okay, look at that. This is like the harbor. Lots of people also doing fishing on this ocean. Fishing village. Lot the boat is not going to the ocean because the wind so strong at the moment. And this is like the harbor. In this harbor, lots of people doing fishing. You see that? Yes, people, left side and the right side, they are doing fishing. Try to catch the fish here. When you see in the right side of this video, there is the airport sign. Okay, now we back to the fish market. It's still busy. Actually, now it's around 9 a.m. Still lots of people to buy some fish here. Okay, this is a situation outside from the fish market. A lot of motorbike parking here and a lot of people selling something. Very busy place. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video on your social media. And don't forget also to hit the bell.